Episode of Kasembeli channel. Bado tuko na mtu wetu wa Chelsea anaitwa Edgar.
Yes.
Hope uko poa Edgar.
Kabisa niko poa.
Yes. Leo nataka tuanze kuangazia for example na game week 13 Kenya Premier League results. Kuna trend inaendelea hapo ndio nilikuwa nikipatia tu results ukiona like Ulinzi ilipigwa 2-1 na KCB. Homeboys wakadraw 2-2 na Shabana.
Yes.
Bandari wakadraw 1-1 na Gor. APS Bomet wakapigwa draw ya 0-0 na Posta Rangers. Bidco na Mathare 0-0. Nairobi United na Murang'a 1-1. Mara Shuka na Kariobangi Sharks, Mara wakapiga Sharks 2-0. Police 0-0 na FC Leopards. Then Tusker wakashinda 2-0 against Sofapaka. We seem to be having a lot of draws kwa Premier League. Shida nini? Alafu pia hakuna mabao mingi kwa Premier League. Hata hii draw ya 2-2 against between Homeboys na Shabana ilishangaza. 4 goals in the Premier League. What could be the issue?
Yeah, I think it's the quality of the attacking players. Tuko na shida ya quality of attacking players. Ukiangalia creative players and all that, unapata tunaweza kuwa yes na better defense ama goalkeepers, but from creative midfielders and strikers, the quality has gone down over the years. So that's why kuna a lot of draws, and especially also the setup of the teams by the coaches. Most of the coaches nowadays, they just go to the game, plan their small tactics here and there. If they don't work, defend. That
Like we are sahi tuko game week 14.
Yes.
Ukiangalia timu yenye imefunga mabao mingi,
including
game inaendelea sahi ya Gor na Homeboys. Gor wako na 15 goals. Alafu pia KCB wako na 15 goals. And it's technically it's 1 goal per game week.
And that is that's a very worrying trend. Ndio maana nimekuambia sasa unaweza ona striker kona bao ngapi?
Striker sijui ni 5 ama 7.
5, yes. Haziwezi pita hapo. Ndio nimekuambia quality of attacking players kwa Kenya Premier League is very low.
Alafu draws ni mingi.
Yes, I think that's something the coaches should come out and work for it. As much as we need stability in the squad and everything else, but the balls should also be entertaining. The match will not be entertaining if you have gone a draw of 0-0. So that's my opinion.
Game week 14 results, Posta Rangers wamedraw na Bandari, another draw. Ukiona KCB wamepiga Bomet 4-2, that is impressive. Yes. Iko somehow impressive. Tusker wamepigwa 1-0 na Nairobi United. Shabana wamedraw 0-0 na Mara Shuka. Then Mathare United wamepiga Sofapaka 1-0.
Na Gor
kuna ongoing ya Gor na Homeboys.
Hiyo iko aje?
Wako Homeboys Gor wanaongoza
1-0. So possibly hata wanaweza kuwa na draw. Sawa.
Very possible. Lakini at least between KCB na ABS Bomet there is at least kuna mabao zimefungwa hapo.
Yes. 4-2 is a good score on that.
But venye Kenya Premier League inaenda man. It looks like as if hatuna nini.
Yes, and also it will translate like that up to the national team. Hata utapata even the national team when that time comes for CHAN. Is it CHAN or AFCON?
So maybe AFCON.
Yes, kuna tournament tuna host next.
Hayo ni CHAN yani 2027.
Yeah, so utapata hata hizo kwa hizo national team games will not be scoring a lot of goals because it has to reflect in the league first before we transfer that to the national team.
Bado kuna round 14, bado kuna fixtures. FC inacheza na Ulinzi kesho. Murang'a na Police. Kariobangi Sharks na Bidco. Unasemaje about FC Leopards versus Ulinzi? Kwanza FC ndio host na wana host Ulinzi kwa uwanja ya Ulinzi.
Ya ndo maana pia kuna kuanga na confusion mingi sana kwa hizi the games za Kenyan Premier Leagues. Unlike FC, just you host Ulinzi Nyayo, wanapeleka huko Ulinzi Barracks. But anyway, it's a good thing. It's not a bad so long as game icheze. And my opinion on that FC versus Ulinzi, I pray that FC at least washinde. Given the fact that walipiga gori the other day, then they drew this game. We are not supposed to be collecting too much draws. It's enough at the moment. We should be on a winning streak at least tushinda hata 3 to 4 games in a row. We'll be in a better place.
And I don't know the table is tight ama ni juu, yani mtu ako number 9 ameshindiwa 3 or 4 points, yani akishinda next game ako top 2.
Yeah, no, juu ya hizo draw zimekuwa kibao, so hata team iki open a gap, open a gap ya 2 points 3 points yenye wakilose the next game they lose that position.
It's a worrying trend.
Yes, very worrying.
As we speak, the ongoing game Gor so hii sasa wanaongoza, but we hope watapigwa draw.
Yes.
Then English Premier League.
Yeah.
How was the weekend? Unaona we Arsenal na Wolves,
The
Chelsea na Everton hapo.
Generally the weekend was fantastic. The goals were flowing everywhere. Hata zile team zenye unaexpect zipigwe sana hazikupigwa, like Wolves. They are the last team in the Premier League, right? Yeah, na unaona venye walicheza na Arsenal. So I think it's a good matchup. It was a good weekend. Yeah, for the teams that won, it was a good thing.
Mimi kwa hiyo game ya Wolves, hata ukiona tukipiga tu gumzo mahali, watu walikuwa wanasema Wolves itapigwa karibu mbao nane.
Yes.
But me nilisema si rahisi, because I know sijui tunakuanga na Arsenal inakuanga na ile sijui ni complaint, wanajua watashinda tu eventually ama sasa wanacheza venye wanataka or something.
Niliwatch hiyo game yote actually, na niliona analysis mahali wakisema around 45% of Arsenal attack zinapitia side ya right, which is Saka. So this other remaining 55% is divided between the middle side and the left side. So for me, I think your left attacking side of Arsenal is not much effective. It's not even bringing like haitoi burden kwa the right side, cause unapata you normally use the right side most of the time, and if you find a team that will defend Saka askue like anaguza ball sana in that, like hata akiguza ball askue possible ku make cross kwa box ama dribble a shoot, ni hivyo. So for me, I think you have a problem with the left attacking side
ya
Arsenal. And also
but unajua secret weapon yetu imekuwa from the left side. Nani ame come up with very crucial calls from that side. Trossard.
Trossard, yes.
And ukiangalia pia Martinelli amefunga crucial goals
from
that one.
Wamefunga, yes, but you see these are not consistent players. Hata unajua they don't start each and every game. Unaona? Yes, Trossard atafunga.
They complement each other.
Yeah, they complement, but you see the attacking return that's supposed to complement this right side, it's not there. And also one thing I'll say about the striker, I think the way he was signed, we were supposed to believe that he could be helping in this situation now, right at the moment. Tunaona kama mkishindwa kufunga bao na winger ama huyu, at least the striker comes through. Niliona hiyo game Saka made like 4 crosses kwa box, hata zingine zilikuwa zinapita hivi straight hapo tu mbele, ball inakuja hivi inapita hivi, unapata Gyökeres ana slide after ball ishapita. I think he's a bit slow.
I think Gyökeres na the attacking players wa Arsenal just sync, but there's some the wavelength inakuanga somehow different. Sometimes ana make run, unaona the time kama ni Odegaard ama Saka, there are some situation where Odegaard ako na bola ama Saka na baada ya kumpasia hivi, unaona ana make another option yenye inakaa ngumu kwa kila mtu.
Yes, of
So,
course.
yeah.
Hiyo ni opinion unaweza peana, yes. But for me, I think these are things they do in training. They normally train for this. Unaona? We unajua Saka will do this, will cut inside or go outside like this and cross. You have to be there as a striker. You have to be there. There is no excuse on that. Provided you are a professional striker, you have to be there. You have to be there and to get the ball.
But hata hivyo ukiangalia Germany, Bayern walicheza na Mainz, top versus last and still they struggle and eventually end a draw. Sasa you think,
but you know,
Bayern pia wali underrate Mainz or something, top versus bottom.
No, I don't think it's an narration. Inakwanga pia na game plan, how we face the game and everything else. But you see now, the thing with Arsenal, these are the teams like Wolves. Those are just teams that you collect 3 points and move on. Even if you score 1 goal, don't concede and move on to the next. You see, even me in 2015, 2016, when Conte was coaching Chelsea, we had this mentality that we used to score 1 goal and game inaisha hivyo tu. Obviously, the striker will come through. So for me, the bigger problem that I have with Arsenal is their striker is not scoring goals, and I think hiyo ndo kitu itawazuia sana kufika huko mbele if they want to win the Premier League at one moment. Because if you look at Man City at this moment, Foden is scoring goals. I think 4 games in a row is scoring goals.
He's even amenishangaza ametokea wapi?
Aya, huyo anaitwa
Haaland
is scoring goals and is the top scorer right now, right?
Top scorer.
Yes, even last season, if you check at Salah was scoring goals for Liverpool. He was providing assists. He was the leading goal scorer in the league. So for me, personally, I believe if Arsenal want to win this league, of which it is theirs to lose at the moment, you have to improve your striking partnership.
I guess the first
yes,
mtu mwenye ako na mabao mingi Arsenal ni Trossard ama Eze. 4 goals or something.
Na ako na ngapi?
4
or
5.
Yes, unaona sasa. You cannot, it's impossible to win the Premier League when your striker is not delivering goals. That's my main point, especially if he is fit.
Okay, we will leave at that. Wacha tuone. He has 4 goals, 3 or 4 goals.
Yeah.
Okay, wacha, you being a Chelsea fan,
yes,
it will be unfair if I will not ask you to talk about Cole Palmer.
Yeah, Cole Palmer. Cole Palmer is our best player. Is the Chelsea's best player. Even the coach keeps on saying that if we miss Cole Palmer in the game, we'll have an effect. And even this run that we have been doing without him, yes, we have been scoring goals here and there, but there are some games that you struggle. We drew with Bournemouth 0-0. We didn't even score anything in that match. So that's where players like Cole Palmer come in. They are able to make difference in a game, even in a second. So it's I'm just happy that he's back. At least the other weekend you saw him, he was back and he scored a goal, which is a very good thing. So I think going forward,
it will boost his.
Yes, so I think going forward we are going to be a good team with Cole Palmer.
Then kuna time tuliambiwa eti sasa hatuna Conchons. Tell me about Granit Xhaka at Sunderland. Walikuwa na derby against Newcastle.
Yes.
That's
a very crucial derby.
A very big derby.
Yeah, when it has been a 10-side derby.
Anacheza.
Yeah, Saka is a leader. First thing, he's a leader.
Damu anatoa damu lakini apora
Yes, he's a leader. Even when you check there's an interview I saw, I think the other day, you were describing how to approach the game. So, like, he chose some players who knew Sunderland and the derby better than him. You know him, he has just joined the other day. So, he chose some players who knew the derby more than him. So, he wanted these players to communicate to their teammates about the meaning of that derby. and you can see even the way they were playing in that game. It shows that they were ready for that.
Walicheza bwana.
Yeah, and they played a good game.
They played.
Yes, they played a good game.
Then Salah cameo with another assist.
Salah, yes, I think it was good, given that it was his final game before going to AFCON.
With the things surrounding him.
Yeah, with the thing that was surrounding him. So I think it was good that he helped his team to win, and he got that standing ovation at the end. I saw fans clapping for him, which is a very good thing. Yeah.
Maybe let's talk about Aston Villa.
Aston Villa. Yeah, Aston Villa, they are in a good form. I think they have won 9 games in a row in all competitions.
Wanapiga fight ingine hapo, mi sielewi.
Yes, I think it also comes with the experience of the coach. You know, Unai Emery is more experienced. And if you see, he was complaining last season they have not signed great players, given that they didn't qualify for Champions League.
Or any European football.
Yeah, so they started shaking, but going forward, they have been strengthening each and every game. So right now they are winning, even though their striker is not scoring goals like the way he used to be. That's Watkins, but they have find a way to maneuver through that, and it's a good thing. Yes. Also, we can say they are in the title race at the moment.
The last time they lost, it was 2-0 against Liverpool. Ukiona hata bao waliconcede kama ya kwanza, Martinez alipeana tu ball.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kupatia Salah ball, una expecting.
Yes, winning 9 games in a row is not a joke. It takes a lot of dedication and commitment from the players and also from the coach. So I think they are on the right side, given that I pray they don't find injuries going forward. So that Morgan Rogers in the middle there, I think is their star guy at the moment, Morgan Rogers. So he's helping them a lot. He scored 2 goals in the weekend.
And he's in my team of the week.
Yes.
What a goal. It was a beautiful goal. One thing about Tottenham.
Yes.
They lost 3-0 to Nottingham Forest.
Yeah.
And last weekend walipiga Brentford 2-0.
Before
that, kuna draw, kuna kulose. Do you think huyu coach ako mataa zimeanza kupigwa nini? They are not consistent.
Yeah, Tottenham are not consistent, and you cannot put that blame on the coach. They have been like that from even the past seasons. Tottenham has been like that. They are never consistent enough. So for me, I think blaming the coach is just going under an overboard thing, because they have signed players. Even me, they have signed. There's this guy called Xavi. I wanted that guy to come. Yeah, Xavi Simons. I wanted him to come to Chelsea, but unfortunately, things happened and he went to Tottenham. So I think it's a matter of consistency and even the coach finding the right balance. Even if you check the interview, the coach, the Tottenham coach, the interview that he said after the game, they asked him if he will be sacked soon, and he said, if you don't give anybody time, anybody will come here. If he doesn't give enough time to build on this squad, then the same problem they will still repeat. So for that reason, I think they should just continue with him. He has been a good coach. He has coached in the Premier League before with Brentford. We have seen the way he has performed with players. So I think it's just about finding the right balance, and results will come.
Yes. Alafu Jumatatu, Monday,
yes,
na Bournemouth.
Yeah.
4-4.
Yeah.
Good game for the neutrals.
Yeah, and the fans, of course, but a bad game overall. You know, when Pochettino was at Chelsea, we used to play such games. You see, we meet Man City and then we draw 4-4. We play with which team? Then I think for the team that wants to win, it's not good when you keep on conceding, especially when you go ahead. You have to maintain that lead. If you keep on conceding, it means your team has cracks. And Manchester United, for example, they have cracks in the middle. especially that midfield. You can see when Casemiro was substituted, it was around the 66th minute. Then 77, 70, 77 minute and 80, those are 3 minutes. Bournemouth scored 2 goals. So I think they have a problem in the middle. They're trying to play Bruno in the middle, and it's not working that much. As much as he's scoring goals, he's an attacking player. He's not a holding midfielder. They should be playing there.
Talking
So
of Bruno, what a free kick.
he scored a nice free kick.
It was never a free kick though, but what a goal.
Yeah, it was a nice goal. Bruno is an all-timer. He's one of the best Premier League midfielders ever. So for that, I'll give him.
Sasa, who do you think deserves to be in a Premier League team of the week?
Premier League team of the week. Let's start with the goalkeepers, sindio?
Yes.
We'll put goalkeeper. I'll put Sanchez for Chelsea.
Being a Chelsea fan, I expected that. Though I will go with Leno.
Leno, yes.
Though he conceded 2, like he nearly faced 8 shots.
He faced 8 shots.
8 shots.
Okay.
Alistop sana. Sasa Sanchez, Leno. Wewe namba right back unaweza cheza na
Malo Gusto.
2 assists.
Yes.
1
assist and 1 goal. Yeah. And clean sheet.
Clean sheet pia alipanda sana.
Yes.
Hiyo pia anachukua.
Center back I'll pick Chalobah. No. Yes. Center back I'll pick Fofana and there's this guy from Sunderland, Ballard.
Former Arsenal youth player.
Yes.
We.
That guy
Anajituma alitufunga from no.
Anacheza
sawa.
sana.
Fofana
he had a very good game. Kama tungekuwa na Fofana tunge-concede. He could have conceded, and I don't think if we could have won it.
Mi naona Hincapié it deserves to be there.
Hincapié.
Na Bolland.
Yes, Hincapié, I will say that, but you see that ball that you conceded, if you remember, huyo striker aliruka tu mbele ya Hincapié. Kama ingekuwa Gabriel, hata wewe uko sure huyo striker angefunga hiyo bao.
He is overperforming bana. We didn't expect. Okay, well, alienda unbeaten lakini coming to the Premier League na hajakuwa akicheza and then
but you see now the thing with Premier League is you have to be ready. Since this is the team that's fighting for titles. Yeah.
Left back
I'll go with left back. Hebu sema left back.
I think boy Sunderland anaitwa right?
Reinildo, yes. Reinildo. Yeah, he had a good game, kept that clean sheet, given that it was a derby.
He played well.
Yeah, they played well.
Alicheza vizuri sana. Center ninapoka CDM.
CDM mtu mwenye aliperform alikuwa Sangare, I think. Huyu wa Nottingham.
Sangare was good.
Yeah, he had 2 assists and 1 goal, right?
Sangare was good.
Yes.
Nani mwingine?
Sangare, there's Harry Wilson, performed better. There's this guy, Morgan Rogers also. He scored 2 goals.
Morgan Rogers, can he play wide kidogo?
Wide, I think ukienda huko kwa wings utaka Wilson na Odoi. Sindo? Because Odoi also performed. He scored 2 goals and 1 assist. So
Saka too deserves to be somewhere.
Yes.
Deserves to be a special mention.
Yes, but if he misses this one, there's no problem because Saka, he'll always be in this team of the week talk every now and then. So if he misses out today, there's no problem because I believe there are players who performed better than him generally in this game week. Yes. Mbele, Ekitike Haaland.
2 center forwards.
Yes.
I think Ekitike deserves to be the player of the week.
Yeah, he deserves to be player of the week. And also we have forgotten
Foden pia.
Foden pia tumemsahau.
Anafaa kuwa somewhere.
Yeah. But I think Foden is in a good team. Everyone expected them to win. So I think the ones that I've mentioned, Sangare, Odoi, Wilson, Morgan Rogers, those ones, they performed better for me personally, generally, than Foden.
Coach of the week.
Coach of the week. I have to give to that Sunderland coach. Yona Dabi.
Hata kama alifungiwa na Walt.
Zimjui jina lakini ni huyo tu ndio nitapea.
Then goal of the week.
Goal of the week.
You have several. Hiyo free kick ya Bruno.
Free
Hiyo
kick
bao ya Rogers. Hiyo ya Sangare.
Ya
Hiyo ya Kitike.
ya Kitike ya kwanza.
Yeah.
Kapea nani? Nipatia nani? Ile ya Sangare. Acha nipeane hiyo goal of the week. Yeah, Sangare iko sawa.
Sina shida na hiyo.
Yeah.
Though naweza chukua pia ya Morgan Rogers.
Yeah, it was a blast.
Then Chelsea 3-1 away to Cardiff.
Oh, yesterday, yes.
EFL.
Yeah, I think that was just a game to win so that we progress to. I think we are in the semis.
Now umeenda semis.
Yes. So Maresca is going to play 3 semi-finals in one season at Chelsea. That's a very good thing. So I'm just happy that we are there. Even if I don't know if whoever will meet.
So, kuna bado leo Man City nacheza na Brentford.
Man City, they're playing with Brentford.
Then Newcastle versus Fulham, I think.
Because those are Premier League teams.
Yeah.
Yeah, it will be tough for them.
Then next week, Arsenal will play Crystal Palace.
Yeah.
So do you think you have a chance kuchukua hii?
Yes, we have a chance.
Garnacho amepiga bao 2.
Hiyo
ndio level yake.
Yeah, I cannot say it's his level. You know the thing with Garnacho, even if he's not playing good, he will always find chances in a game. Sijui chances huwa zinapataje huyo jamaa. Hata akuwe wasteful, he will always get chance. So he's so relentless with his running, with his attacking, and that's one thing I like about him. Even though he's squandered some chances and he kills the game, but he's a good guy. So I'll give that to him.
I think that was his level. Ameperform mpaka piga brace.
Yeah.
Kwa Premier League wajuzi, kuna siku tulikuwa tunaocha hapo bora sema ikanajo so at least alafu ukiona lineup ilicheza jana pia I feel
yeah, we made almost 10 changes, so it was just like a team B squad, which is not bad for us at the moment.
Thank you, Edgar, for having you here. Hope to see you on Friday. Tuone weekend itakuwaje.
Sawa. Thank you also.
Asante sana.
Haya.